First, let's talk about what the steering rack does. The steering rack is a critical part of your vehicle's steering system, working together with the power steering pump to help you control the direction of the car. It's connected to your steering wheel and transforms the rotational motion of the wheel into the lateral motion needed to steer the wheels. When the steering rack fails, it can severely impact your ability to control your vehicle, which is why it's crucial to recognize the symptoms early. The first and most obvious sign of a bad steering rack is difficulty steering. If you notice that your steering wheel feels unusually heavy or stiff, especially at lower speeds or when parking, this could indicate that your steering rack is failing. A worn-out or damaged steering rack can lead to reduced hydraulic pressure in your power steering system, making it hard to turn the wheel smoothly. Another common symptom is if your steering wheel is no longer centered. If you notice that the steering wheel is crooked even though your car is driving straight, this is a clear sign that something is wrong with your steering system, and it could be the steering rack. Misalignment of the steering rack can cause this off-center position, which can make driving uncomfortable and even dangerous. Feeling your steering wheel vibrate while driving, especially at higher speeds, could also indicate a problem with the steering rack. While vibrations can be caused by several issues, such as unbalanced tires or suspension problems, a worn-out steering rack can cause excessive play in the system, leading to vibrations in the steering wheel. If left unaddressed, this can worsen over time. If you notice fluid leaking under your car, specifically around the front end, this could be power steering fluid leaking from the steering rack. A damaged or worn-out steering rack can cause the seals to deteriorate, leading to leaks. If your power steering fluid is low, you may also experience difficulty steering, as mentioned earlier. Another common sign of a failing steering rack is hearing groaning or whining noises when you turn the steering wheel. These noises are usually caused by low power steering fluid levels due to leaks or air bubbles entering the system. If you hear these sounds, it's a good idea to check your power steering fluid reservoir and inspect the system for leaks. And that's it.